Hello mga Mars! Welcome back to my channel, Karen's Scoop Station here, Maine Mendoza at Aide. Nag-update sa kanyang main content or broadcast channel sa kanyang Instagram account kung saan ay nag-share pa siya ng 10 photos ng mga ganap nila last weekend mga Mars. At kasama nga sa photo ang family ni Oyo Soto and Christine Hermosa, kasama ang kanilang mga beautiful kids. Kasama nga ng mag-asawang Ataide ang kanilang mga friends, ang family ni Oyo Boy and Christine Hermosa Soto, at yung kaibigan pa ni Mrs. Ataide na si Chami and MJ Lastimosa. At meron pa dito isang couple na kasama rin nila. Hindi ko po kilala. Basta yun, may iba pa po silang kasama. Ito ang ganap nila nung weekend mga Mars. Ang happy-happy nilang magkakasama. Lalong-lalo na daw nga ang mga kids ay talagang nag-enjoy sa water. Sa caption nga ni Mrs. Ataide sa kanyang Instagram account post, sabi niya, "My rain or shine, grateful for this bunch. Missed you at Pinay po." So, hindi nakasama si Shara Soto sa lakad nila nung weekend. Sabi nga niya sa kanyang post, sa kanyang main content broadcast channel, sabi niya, "Numerous unexpected events led up to this day. And when the day finally came, the weather took a turn for the worse. It was signal number 2 in Batangas. We were almost losing hope on the things we were anticipating to enjoy together for the first time. Despite that, we were grateful for the company and managed to have a fun time indoors. While we held on to hope, we weren't expecting much beyond the rain stopping. And to our surprise, we were blessed with a sunny afternoon on our second day. It was so happy to see our friends and the kids having a pleasant time in the water. There wasn't a single drop of rain all afternoon, not until we started heading back home. I am utterly grateful for many things last weekend, whether significant or small. God listens and provides. It was such a wonderful day." Yun. Kaya yun ang ganap ng mag-asawang Ataide kasama ang kanilang mga friends sa Batangas. Yes, tama ka naman, Min. Maliit man yan o malaki, God listens. And that's it mga Mars. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more scoops. Shout out Armenian. Bye! Ingat po tayong lahat dahil maulan na.